Good morning. Mahedon lah ayap ler untuk stop. Like plot kedur. Puasa biang. So we'll travel. We have to ride to North Goa. Most probably Arambol. We'll stay one night more in Goa. Tomorrow to Pune. Good morning once again. See you guys later. Dua sure. Tetap mah. Apa jeung ibu menang sising ngaingu ime bang nak dekat bangi. Au boleh ni stop au boleh bersimit au boleh. Ani ke trip borok koi ke trip au boleh. Tadi ke bakar api. Abu jakapan lagi au boleh cuma sekali ngi pai angel begin. Eda ngi au boleh wailam ngi jupi soy ma ikot ngi hala kata amen. Ya.
directly run to Khardungla.
Khardungla?
Yeah, essentially.
Oh wow.
Hi sir, how are you? All good?
So this is your working space?
Yeah. This is a pharmaceutical company. We make tablet and capsules and we sell to the US.
Oh,
It's an Israel company.
Okay.
so you can shoot a couple of Israeli every now and then.
Oh, okay.
And we sell to the US,
Mhm.
95% and 5% to the Europe.
Oh, okay.
No market for India.
Oh, okay. Okay.
What's the plan? Arambol?
Arambol is fine.
It's good place.
It's good, no?
Yeah. Even
I-
South Goa is good place.
Yeah, I know, but I don't want what?
Palolem.
Palolem is good.
You visit Kola?
No, no, no.
It's a good place. Near Palolem. Just 5 kilometers from Palolem. I like South and I'm living in South only.
Okay. Where are you living?
I'm living in Banoli.
Oh, okay.
It's a beautiful place.
After Ladakh, after 1.5.
We are missing you. You know that guy?
Kutak.
Kritatma.
Yeah.
When was the last time you spoke with him?
When?
When was the last
Yeah, he texted me
Sometimes.
day before yesterday, I guess, 2 days back.
Yeah,
When
yeah.
I come in Pondi, I said, wait, my plans with Pondi will.
Yeah.
I'll take the East Coast and I'll go to Pondi.
So they have some resort over there, so you can stay in there
Yeah.
one day.
Hi guys.
Yeah, hi. How are you? Where
This
is the
Rigan, I met
GoPro?
him in
Ladakh.
Ladakh when I went for my North India tour. So now we are friends. I'm here, he's staying here, working here.
Welcome to Goa.
Just came here to meet him, say hi.
Hi.
And then,
All done?
yeah. Today is our last day in Goa.
Goa?
Tomorrow Pune.
But you are going from Amboli Ghat.
So what?
It's not Ambola, it's Amboli.
Okay. So it's better to take the coastal area or take the highway to Pune tomorrow.
Both are good. Roads are good. Whichever road is
No, in highway it's 4 lane, no. But here in the coastal areas will be like this single lane. It will take much time, no?
Yeah. But almost
time
more
back.
than a 10 year.
Yeah, 13 years.
Things has been changed, you know,
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Goa.
Yeah. Changed a lot. So many
you'll
people,
get
man. now.
Flyovers.
Yeah. Okay.
He's also from Meghalaya.
Yeah. He's my
Your
friend.
friend.
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay
Come
then.
this time to Ladakh.
Huh?
Come this time to Ladakh. I mean September. We all are gathering over there. in
See, I don't ride twice to the same place.
No,
maybe
don't-
after
Don't come to for ride.
Yeah.
Come and stay in a hostel.
Yeah. You stay in the same place only?
No, this time opposite Rainbow.
Oh, okay.
That was hostel. They have same property.
Oh,
Rainbow.
Okay.
Nearby.
It's good only. I mean, you have connections there, no?
So mostly this time we will run Khardungla, 72 kilometers.
Wow.
So for that reason we need to be there 10 days prior,
Okay.
and we already qualified it because we ran a full marathon last year. I mean this year. So we qualified for Khardungla.
Oh, nice man. All the best, man.
So
Chalo
we'll
then.
take a selfie
Yeah.
and then we'll post it and give it to Kritatma.
Yeah. Chalo.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Take it easy peasy in Goa.
Yeah.
Just ping me or text if anything is required.
Yeah. Sure.
As long as in Goa and Pune.
Sure.
I have hold in the two places, Goa and Pune.
Yeah.
That's why I specifically said Goa and Pune.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Chalo.
Thank you, brother. Bye, man. See you. Bye. Kena play kan? Yang dah Shillong ya. What happened? Pardon? Switch off? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, you have to kick this.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
Just in case. There's petrol or what? Yeah, petrol is full though.
No, I think it's...
Yeah, it's full. Where are you going? Basilica?
Yeah.
Even we are going there.
Okay.
Come, chalo, let's go.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Where are you guys from? We are from Shillong. See you there. It's fine now?
Yeah, we're coming.
Just start first.
Not want to do that.
Yeah, show me.
Kickstart it again.
Yeah, don't off. I'll just kickstart it. This won't work now. This won't work now.
Won't work?
No.
Like
Oh, now it should work. Sometimes it will work. If it doesn't work, just kick there.
Yeah,
Okay? Go, go. Wait, go sit. Came here for vacation.
Yes,
Welcome.
again. Okay, I'll just learn how to do this. Can you just tell me?
You have to just get out a bit.
Okay.
So you have to put main stand first. Just like that. Don't be slow now, just go.
Yeah.
Hop in.
Yeah.
Chalo. You go first, we'll follow. Just in case if you miss. Huh? Stop again.
It's gonna keep stopping. It just keeps stopping.
So we have reached Basilica of Bobmc. So before we go to Arambol, we will visit first this Basilica of Bobmc. So we're done from here. Ngayon na siya Arambol. Dia perlu mentang labu buat kentin khasi, buat kentin pareng. Kena berhidup dia sutuk lang mau berkhaj. Pemede re nama orang sutuk ba macam senam pun bangalet tuwe senam arjat perlai bangalet ada berkhaj kiong. Belum kena khasi ngi sutuk. Nomor gini video ngi hap ai. Pelat bayar ke pertai deh, bikin tip ke pertai. Nomor kamdai tang mengi khasi. Ya baru ki beriu. Hani pertai tak ada kamsuk yang kena pareng. Mentah ba peni berkhasi deh so. Boleh komplain semua. Ini apa? Ini apa? Ruang saya. Giyeng ni penting tenat, giyeng Portugis de. Ye mana try kan ye mana kan nak perah kan eh. Tera arajar senam lah, hajar senam lah. Dah. Bila berapa? How to talk Kalengut? Talk Kalengut. Patai. Patai benda jurang tu. Tak apa hi. Here. Abi. Mas peni Peter. Abang. Kau nak baga. So we've reached Kalengut, but we're not going there because this is not our place. Hot sini mah? Ha? Tapi kan mi kuat bawa mau kuat apa? So we have reached Baga and Kalengut just to set foot. My hot sini nama belum beri palak. Yang atas ya. Arambol. ML is Meghalaya.
Acha, Meghalaya. Okay. Very far, bro.
Yeah, from Shillong. This is the 12th day.
Huh?
12th day, 12 days.
12 दिन हो गया आप लोगों को. Parking ढूंढ रहे हो आप लोग?
No, just set foot. We'll stay. We are going to Arambol.
Arambol, yeah.
Just to, yeah. Just passing by. Yeah.
And you take left.
Yeah.
And you go to straight and it's straight, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
बाकी लोकेशन डाल लो आप.
Yeah. Bang đây. Itu Pak. Tak. Hai. Nak senang ah. Nak senang ah. Yang bentuk saya. Yang bentuk mana? Yang bentuk semua. Anthony's Church kan ya. This is Arambol beach. ni mo. Biang ni. I'll come there then. I wanna swim. Where the party at? Ting ilapoi ha Arambola gini di cottages jungi. Ketik duriau hentai. Am seperti sespang. Ting ya room macam ni mah. Jai gini di AC. Like shit. Tuh ke bathroom. Jai. Tang simit ni. Last gini ya. Enjoy. Poin kerak nak syongkan simit ni tu. Wah. Di umsok. See you guys. Oh, Arambol beach. Oh, bong ni kemat. So I'll do this. I'm going to show you smart. Saya sini Arambol beach now. Stay baba. Sini bawa. Awak nak style upload. Mengiyak-ngiyak bicai tadi. Mengiyak stop betul. Lawang katanya mau bahaya mau dung mau. Tete ke lawang katanya ni. Dung tu. Dung tu. Adian mah. Kani. Atuh itu, atuh mentang. Kani. Lihat ada habar. Oh kan. Ngandung bilang lah ngasih sih. Tai lawan. Kani bahaya, kani bebas. Ini sini. Kalau ada ni. Duduk mah. Lihat tu. Trong trung đây. Đây đây. Kanan lain tu. Ada. Tadi tu. Wan bahaya tadi dengan minyak dah semak tengah. Waiting for the waves to hit me. Ada. Sok tu kelap perdat tu ni dekat ha. Watching the sunset. Tak kan? Mentah di denuri ya. Mana? Stay lah. Relax.
Tarik kamu kena. Sampai treat lah.
Ya, sure.
Det är för mjöl köpa kommer ta. Det borde ha tagit dit fast.
Satu perat.
Det system ha. Det rong han ni rong kayo. Jo.
Satu offstate tu.
Trong table trong ni. Trong table ni.
Faham?
Duduk dia tetap. Marway lah, beach lah.
Tomlak betul ni.
Good vibe in Arambol beach. we're here now. We're just a few meters away from our hotel, from where we are staying. It's not a hotel, it's a guest house.
NDA.
One fish finger then.
Mama udah siap dah.
Siap okay.
Siap dah. Mami dekat dong. Ini ya. Suggestion fish. Suggestion fish starter. What's there? Mami fish ya. You shoot there. Fish and chips.
Okay. Fish steak.
Pan fish chips semua. Fish and chips.
Okay. One fish and chips.
Drink first the drinks, okay? Then a Sprite, 2 large.
Стай Челябинску тоже привет.
Mereka miat bakat duduk lagi ha Goa. Mereka tang Goa bat hagi beach, mangilalet ado south lagi hagi beach, ibun hagi Jakarta mangilalet te sai hagi videos jongi. It's the last day in Goa, last day in the beaches. And then we'll go to Pune tomorrow. So we'll see you guys in Pune, and we are having a good time till now. We are riders and we are explorers and tourists as well. We cannot deny that. Bener Mama. Don Juan. Oh, hello there.
Любимый город, ходят счастье лети, где твоя удача, брат, нам с тобой.
Пацаны меняют кузов черных БМВ. Наши везде, наши БЛА. Сложно убить тех, кто уже на дне. Я взрываю за всех, кого нет с нами. За всех, кто нас оставил. Половину закроют и запалят. Мама улица, папа спальный. Подо мной М5, асфальт.
You won't see anything because it's the beach, it's the Arabian Sea, and you'll just hear my voice. I'm walking down to the our stay to the guest just near the shore, so I'm here. Baba must be feeling tired. At least it's so dark, you won't be able to see anything, but you'll just hear the tides and the waves. And this is Arambol beach. Good night, guys. Baba. Hello, bro. Jungi. Hey. Bro, kena. Hey. Kena. Kena nak you. Bas pada. Narak kerja. Mestang bat tamar stang dah. Dia tamar stang kerja. Ha? Dia. Ni. Good night, guys.
Shillong.
Oh, umpam siya kan? Basport sana tak? Habang lah, you say. Jangan like that. Boleh kerkit boleh apa? Habam sini sebar dah. Le. Aman. Nah, apa yang khtim tu baik. Faham.
Nang tu nang yak baik. Kebam.
Tidak tu. Ngak paling baik ngakal paling tu.
Tu kau yang pan.